Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in bright silver, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a quad cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box in the back. Come to the front here, you'll have halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you, with high beams, which are also the running lights, and turn signals, of course. You have that color matching grille with honeycomb in the middle, with a nice Ram badge looking sharp. Front and rear bumpers are chrome. There's 2 tow hooks on the front bumper, along with 2 fog lamps, and those dots you see on the front bumper are ParkSense front parking sensors. Come to the side here, this Ram 1500 is running on 17-inch Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. They're on alloy rims, and there's 4-wheel disc brakes all around and mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Black door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. There are LED turn signal lights built into the mirrors, and these are breakaway mirrors, and they're heated mirrors as well. So heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. They are flip-up tow mirrors, and they are flipped up at the moment. Easily flip them down like that if you want, and if you want them back up, easily flip them back up. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the door panel. 2-tone door panels throughout. Storage down below with 2 cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. Automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with the dimmer knob there. That button there will turn on the box lights. Fog light button. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Handle here for the driver, so they can easily get inside. Soft touch steering wheel, feels great in your hands. It's a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. Heavy duty mats throughout. Cloth seating throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats, and you have adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Nice big Ram badge here in the middle. Grab this chrome handle, open this up. There's an upper storage area. There's a change holder. There's a USB port, an auxiliary port, and another USB port right there. If you have cords coming out of here, run them along the sides, so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a lower, large storage area down here. And there's a little ledge there for some pens. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle, a cell phone holder right here, and there's a 12-volt DC power outlet down here. Lots of space in the middle there for whatever you want. And there's a pocket on the side of the middle console, so feel free to put anything on the side there. Let's go take a look in the back seat area. All right, power window switch, nice place for an arm, very good. Handle right here so your passengers can easily get inside this truck. Look at the heavy duty mats in the back seat area. Aren't they stunning? 2 big cup holders in the middle, adjustable headrests in the back seats too. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing, so if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. The seat folds up like this, and there's a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top for storage. If you're not using it, you can easily fold it back like this, and underneath here, even more storage. You have some goodies there too. And there's a clip here, so you can clip this up and secure it. Excellent. This easily comes back down. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's a 12-volt DC power outlet in the middle here, and a nice Ram badge. Interior lamp is up there. Let's move on to the back. This is where you put gasoline inside this Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. Come back here. Box lights are just up there. Tonneau cover on the box, so you can keep everything out of sight. See those dots in the rear bumper? Those are ParkSense rear parking sensors. That chrome bumper is looking very good. Nice badging, the Ram badge, Outdoorsman badge, 4x4 badge, very good. Spot for a trailer hitch down here with connections so you can plug in a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram 1500. Open up the tailgate here. There's hooks in all 4 corners so you time your load so you don't lose it when you're driving down the highway. Tons of space in the box. This is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All 4 doors will lock, including the tailgate. And there's a backup camera right there. Come to the other side here. This truck is looking stunning. I'll show you the other side of the back seat. All right. Power window switch, nice place for an arm, looking good. Handle on this side as well. park on the back of the passenger seat. This side also flips up, and there's the fold-out gate here. Put things underneath or on top for storage, and there's 2 cutouts for the cup holders in the middle, which I think is a clever touch. And this easily folds back, and even more storage space. And there's a clip here. There you go. It is secure, and this easily comes back down. Front passenger side here. Storage down below with 2 cup holders, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch. Great style, looking good. Directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Spot for some pens or packs of gum. Upper storage area for many different things. Lower glove box with a manual and some other goodies. Passenger seat is manual adjustment, and underneath the passenger seat are the tire changing tools, which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. The Ram 1500 has tons of safety built into it to keep you safe. And there's also a pocket on this side of the middle console as well. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. All right, now I'm sitting inside the 2016 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman, and here is the key fob. You have an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. Go over here, push this into the ignition. All you gotta do is turn it, and it starts right up. The tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and the temperature gauge, they look very nice. And this truck only has 26,830 kilometers on it. Not much at all. So come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be yours. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center. And the first thing you'll see is that there is a digital speedometer, which you can change the miles per hour if we're going to the States. You have your vehicle info, tells you tire pressures, transmission temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to the tire pressures. You have a fuel economy page. It tells you your average liters per 100 kilometers and your fuel range on your tank of fuel. You can reset your average liters per 100 kilometers just by holding the button right there. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. You can reset one or both of those just by holding the button right there. You have your trailer tow area here, lets you know what the gain's set at. Message center in case the Ram 1500 wants to tell you something. Screen setup here, so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. Turn the menu off if you don't want to look at it. Press the button on the steering wheel again. It comes back on. Where it says FM 107.1, that is a customizable info bar that right now is going to tell you what's playing on your media. Outside thermometer and a compass. Up top, if you open up any door on this truck, it'll let you know in the bottom left corner which door on the truck is open. You have voice recognition. Cancel. Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice, and that button there will assist you in answering calls that come through the Uconnect system. Nice Ram badge here in the middle with, of course, a horn. It is a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. Rotary Style Gear Shifter, very out of the way and easy to use. Push button 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake controller, traction control, tow/haul mode. You can turn off the front or rear parking sensors with those buttons right there. If you turn them off, then I'll let you know that you turn them off by a light and a chime. Push it again, they come back on. 115 volt AC power outlet. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right there. Hazards. You can adjust your fan speed, adjust where you want the air to go right here, adjust your temperature. Defrost button that will turn on. The heated mirrors. You have max AC. Very straightforward, very easy to use. You got a little spot here for some things. And if I throw this Ram 1500 into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. If I turn the wheels, it'll guide you to where you're going to go. And it also shows up your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors on the screen here. So if you get close to an object behind you or in front of you, there'll be lines and you'll hear audible chimes to warn you how close you're getting to an object. And if you get close to an object, the louder the chimes are going to get. Awesome. Directional air vents here in the middle, which you can close and open. Close and open. Nice Ram badge right there, a little spot for some things. Rear view mirror. Reading lamps up here. Switch for the rear sliding window. Easily open that up and close it. Sun visor for the driver is breakaway and does slide out. Passenger side sun visor is also breakaway and does slide. And there's a vanity mirror for the passenger. There's tons of visibility out the front window, and in front of me is Crosstown Dodge, looking absolutely great. And here is touchscreen Uconnect system. It has AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM. If I turn up the volume, those are just some advertisements, but right now, you can tell that there's excellent sound quality, right? It's excellent. Excellent. Turn it back down like this. You have a mute button right here. Turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. Back button to help you guide to your system. Tuning knob, browse button. You adjust your audio right here. You can direct tune into a specific radio station. You can set a preset with just your finger right here, and you can save many different presets. If you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, or a Bluetooth device connected, press the media button and you can listen to all your favorite music through the Ram 1500 speakers. Bluetooth area here. You can pair more than one device, answer calls, make calls, transfer calls, everything you do on your phone make call, you do hands-free on touchscreen Uconnect system right here. You have a compass, handy to have, settings for touchscreen Uconnect system and the Ram 1500. Customize this truck to have it the way you want it to be. More button, you got outside temperature there, a clock. Fantastic system to use, tells you the time right there. I love it. There's many storage areas throughout this Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. I like the style throughout. ParkSense parking sensors are excellent to have, because you wouldn't want to damage your truck. Come check this truck out sometime soon. Come on down to Crosstown today and take this 2016 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman in bright silver, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood, for a test drive. It's a quad cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box in the back. It's waiting for you. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.